Welcome to your 10-minute morning breath routine to help you feel calm, clear, and focused before you start your day. You're not just calming down, you're resetting your baseline. Now, let your eyes close. Feel the weight of your body supported by the floor or your bed, and feel your muscles relaxed. Bring your attention to your breathing without changing anything yet. Just notice, are you breathing high in the chest or lower in the ribs and belly? Is the breath smooth or slightly rough, fast or slow? Now gently guide your breath to the nose. In through the nose, out through the nose. No big breaths, just soft and quiet nasal breathing. Now, to feel more calm using the breath out, take a soft inhale through the nose, and then let the exhale be slow, gentle, and relaxed. Don't think blowing the air out, but just think, relax, and feel the air flow out naturally. Again, soft inhale, longer, gentler, and more relaxed exhale. Feel your shoulders relaxed on the exhale. Feel your jaw soften and relax. Soft inhale. Slow, gentle, relaxing exhale. As you breathe in through the nose, feel the lower ribs and belly expand a little. As you breathe out, let everything soften. Soft inhale, slow, gentle, relaxing exhale. Now breathing through the nose, but make the inhale smaller, softer, and lighter. Breathe out through the nose, slower, longer, more gentle, and more relaxed. Small inhale, slow, long, gentle, relaxed exhale. Small inhale, slow, gentle exhale. Now, if you feel steady, take a normal inhale through the nose, a normal exhale through the nose, and then pause for 2 seconds at the end of the exhale. Release. Breathe normally. Now return to simple nasal breathing, still quiet, still smooth, soft inhale, slow, gentle, relaxing exhale. Feel the air coming in through your nose and feel the exhale relaxing your whole body. Soft inhale, slow, gentle, relaxing exhale. Now let the breath return to whatever feels natural, still through the nose if possible. Take one last soft inhale and a long, gentle exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes and begin your day calm, present, and relaxed.